Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the new ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. It is the ISW023 model. This smartwatch do have, or it is loaded with smart features. One of the smart features of this wearable is the Bluetooth music control function. Okay, so this one do have a support for Bluetooth music control, and as you can see here, you can adjust the volume here. You can go forward, play and pause, and go backward. Let's see if we can also see the title here on the screen, the title of the song or the audio. Okay, so we'll test this one. We'll have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. Okay, we'll see if it works with the Spotify, YouTube, built-in music player, as well as the YouTube Music. So if you are interested to see the video demo of the Bluetooth music control function, watch this video. And again, if you find this video helpful or useful, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here our Android smartphone, and we are already connected with the iPulse support app. Okay, and let's check if we do have a feature or an option for the Bluetooth music control function. Okay, we do have a Bluetooth calling here, call notifications, smart alarm. Seems like we don't have any settings for the Bluetooth music control function. I guess all we have to do is just go directly to the music app, and let's try to use the Bluetooth music control function. So let's open the built-in music player. So we have here different audio files. Let's adjust the volume here, and let's open the music control here. Player, does it work? Yes. Can we adjust the volume? Yes, it works so far. Stop. Next. Play. As you can see here, although we do have an animation, we don't have the name of the song or the title of the song. Next. But we can see that the menus here or the option here changes. Okay, so the next song is highlighted here. Go back, play, adjust the volume, decrease the volume, go back, stop, next, okay, play, adjust the volume again, and decrease the volume, stop. Okay, so far it works with our built-in music player here. The only issue here is that you cannot see the title of the audio or the song. Okay, you can adjust the volume, go forward, go backward, play, and pause so far. Next, let's try the Spotify app. Okay, next, let's open the Spotify application. Let's open our smartwatch here. Let's go to the Bluetooth music control function. Player. And let's try to play this one. Does it work? Yes, as you can see here, we do have the Bruno Mars next song. Okay, next, play, pause, next, stop. I did not activate the volume here or increase the volume so that we will not have any issues with the copyright music. Okay, but so far, as you can see here, it works with the Spotify application. Okay, our internet is not that stable right now, but so far as you can see, you can go forward, go backward with the Spotify application, or I mean you can play and pause and go forward to the next song. So it is compatible with the Spotify app. Next, let's have a demo of the YouTube application. So we have here several videos. Let's try and control it with our Bluetooth music control function. So let's have the music player here. Let's play this one. And as you can see here, so it works. Go to the next video. So we have an ad here. Play. Let's wait for it. Skip. Adjust the volume.
October 2009.
Go back.
The Easter
Stop. Play.
The newly restored Noyes Museum is
Next.
Touched mother, the younger lady.
Stop. Adjust the volume. Okay. Then play.
Been laid to rest here, back in
Go
Cairo.
back. Play.
about to reopen.
Okay.
The
So far
museum
it works
houses
with
the finest
the
collection of Egyptian
YouTube
artifacts in
Music
Germany.
app.
The biggest draw
And still,
is the arrival.
there's no title for the video here, but it works with the application. So you can play, pause, go forward, go backward, and adjust the volume. So that's good so far for our ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. Next, we'll have the YouTube Music. Let's open the YouTube Music. Okay, again, we'll adjust the volume here to avoid any issues with the copyright music. And let's try this one. Play. Next song. Okay, it works so far. Next. Stop. Play. Go backward. Go backward. Go backward. Stop. Play. Forward to the next song. Next. Next. Stop. Play. Adjust the volume. Stop. Go back. Forward. Next. Okay, so far that's it for the YouTube Music application. So it works with the YouTube Music, it works with YouTube, Spotify, and the built-in music player. So far so good with our Storm Ultra smartwatch from ITEL. The only issue is there's no title. You cannot see the title of the song on the smartwatch, but you can adjust the volume, play, pause, go forward and backward. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo for the Bluetooth music control of the Storm Ultra, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.